When you're traveling, having the right gear can make a huge difference, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Today, we'll take a look at some of the best budget-friendly travel gear that delivers high performance without a hefty price tag. Whether you're looking for a sturdy backpack, a cozy sleeping bag, or a versatile duffel, we've got you covered. These top picks are perfect for travelers seeking practicality, durability, and style, all at an affordable price. Number 1. Swissdigital Terabyte J16 BT1 Backpack. The Swissdigital Terabyte J16 BT1 backpack is a great option for travelers who need a durable and functional backpack without spending a fortune. Designed with modern travelers in mind, this backpack features multiple compartments and a sleek design. The padded laptop sleeve is perfect for keeping your electronics safe while on the go. The spacious main compartment can easily hold clothes, books, and other essentials for a short trip, making it a versatile option for both business and leisure travel. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Swissdigital backpack offers a water-resistant outer shell that keeps your belongings dry, even in rainy conditions. The adjustable shoulder straps are padded for comfort, and the ergonomic design ensures that the backpack sits comfortably, even when it's packed full. The addition of a USB charging port allows you to charge your devices on the go, which is an especially useful feature for digital nomads and frequent travelers. The durability of the Swissdigital Terabyte J16 BT1 backpack stands out, thanks to its reinforced stitching and rugged design. Whether you're carrying your laptop to work or heading out on a weekend getaway, this backpack holds up well over time, providing exceptional value for its affordable price. The combination of features, practicality, and durability makes this backpack a must-have for budget-conscious travelers.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Port Authority BG99 Sport Duffel. For those looking for a versatile and affordable duffel bag, the Port Authority BG99 Sport Duffel is a fantastic choice. Known for its sturdy build and spacious interior, this duffel is perfect for those who need to pack a lot of gear. Whether you're heading to the gym, taking a short weekend trip, or going camping, this duffel can handle it all. Made from durable polyester, the BG99 Sport Duffel is designed to resist wear and tear, even with frequent use. The bag features a large main compartment with a U-shaped opening, allowing for easy packing and access to your items. There are also several smaller pockets on the exterior for organization, making it easier to store your essentials like keys, wallets, or chargers. The reinforced bottom adds an extra layer of durability, ensuring your belongings stay secure. Comfort is key when it comes to carrying a duffel bag, and the Port Authority BG99 delivers with its adjustable padded shoulder strap. This makes it easy to carry over your shoulder, even when the bag is packed to its maximum capacity. Whether you're going on a quick trip or just need a reliable bag for everyday use, the BG99 Sport Duffel combines practicality, durability, and affordability. Number 3. Osprey Rook 50 Liters Backpack. If you're in the market for a high-quality backpack for your next hiking or camping adventure, the Osprey Rook 50 Liters Backpack is an excellent choice. Offering exceptional durability and comfort at an affordable price, this backpack is ideal for travelers who need a reliable option for extended outdoor trips. The 50 liters capacity provides plenty of space for all your gear, and the top-loading design makes it easy to pack and access your items. One of the standout features of the Osprey Rook 50 liters backpack is its adjustable harness and hip belt system. This allows for a customized fit, ensuring that the backpack sits comfortably on your body, no matter how much you pack. The breathable mesh back panel helps keep you cool, even during long hikes in warmer weather. Additionally, the padded shoulder straps reduce strain, making it easier to carry heavy loads. The Osprey Rook 50 liters is built with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of outdoor activities. Whether you're trekking through the wilderness or exploring a new city, the Osprey Rook 50 liters backpack offers great value and performance, making it one of the best budget-friendly travel gear options. Number 4. Jeaouia Lightweight Sleeping Bag. For those looking for a budget-friendly yet high-quality sleeping bag, the Jeaouia Lightweight Sleeping Bag is a great option. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, this sleeping bag is perfect for camping trips, hiking, and travel. The compact design makes it easy to pack, and its lightweight construction ensures that it won't take up too much space in your bag. Made from breathable materials, the Jeaouia sleeping bag offers comfort throughout the night, keeping you warm without overheating. The zipper design allows for easy access and ventilation when needed. This feature is particularly useful during warmer nights or when you need to adjust the bag's temperature for comfort. The Jeaouia lightweight sleeping bag is built to last with durable, water-resistant fabric that keeps moisture out. The stitching is reinforced for extra durability, ensuring the bag holds up well even after multiple uses. For budget-conscious travelers looking for reliable outdoor gear, this sleeping bag delivers exceptional performance, comfort, and durability at an affordable price. Number 5. Arcturus Military Wool Blanket. The Arcturus Military Wool Blanket is a must-have for anyone in need of a versatile and durable travel accessory. Known for its military-grade quality, this wool blanket is designed to keep you warm in even the harshest conditions. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or just need extra warmth in your car during road trips, this blanket is a great addition to your gear. Made from a blend of 80% wool and 20% synthetic fibers, the Arcturus Military Wool Blanket is both warm and durable. The wool naturally regulates temperature, keeping you comfortable in both cold and warm weather. The heavy-duty construction ensures that this blanket will last for years, even with regular use. Its generous size makes it suitable for covering your entire body or using as a picnic blanket, making it a highly versatile option for travel. The Arcturus blanket also features reinforced stitching along the edges, enhancing its durability and longevity. Compact enough to fold up and fit in your bag, this wool blanket is perfect for those seeking comfort and reliability without spending a lot of money on their travel gear. Number 6. Lovevook 40 Liters Travel Backpack. The Lovevook 40 Liters Travel Backpack combines style, comfort, and practicality at an affordable price. This backpack is designed for travelers who need a versatile and spacious bag without the high cost. The 40 liters capacity provides ample space for clothes, toiletries, and other essentials, while the compact design ensures that it's still easy to carry around. Made from water-resistant nylon fabric, the Lovevook backpack is durable and can handle the rigors of travel. The padded straps and back panel offer extra comfort, allowing you to carry heavy loads without straining your shoulders. With several compartments and pockets, organizing your gear is easy. The laptop sleeve is an added bonus, keeping your devices safe and protected while you're on the move. Whether you're exploring a new city or going on a short business trip, the Lovevook 40 Liters Travel Backpack provides the perfect balance of size, style, and affordability. The combination of durability, comfort, and practicality makes it a top pick for budget-conscious travelers. Number 7. Wandf Spirit Airlines Duffel Bag. The Wandf Spirit Airlines Duffel Bag is a fantastic option for travelers looking for a lightweight, budget-friendly bag that's perfect for both short trips and long vacations. Designed to fit the personal item size requirements for Spirit Airlines, this duffel bag is an excellent carry-on option that allows you to pack more without exceeding the weight limit. Made from high-quality, water-resistant nylon fabric, the Wandf duffel bag is durable and can withstand the demands of frequent travel. The spacious main compartment offers ample room for clothes, shoes, and other essentials, while the front zipper pocket provides easy access to smaller items like your phone, wallet, or passport. The duffel bag also features reinforced handles and an adjustable shoulder strap for added comfort during transport. That wraps up our list of the best budget-friendly travel gear. These 7 products offer excellent value for their price and are perfect for travelers who want high-quality gear without overspending. Whether you're packing for a camping trip, heading out for a business venture, or going on a weekend getaway, these items will make your travel experience easier, more comfortable, and more organized. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and product reviews. Safe travels!